Just bought 3 El Caminos. This here's a 72, frames rusted out. It does have power disc brakes. Windshield might be usable. This one doesn't have much good for body. Ouch. We do have sketchy parts. Oh, there's some seat belts. Well, not much. Column shift. Automatic. No dash pad on this. This one has the roof rusted out even. Oh, there's the shoulder belts. They're not real nice. Right. Okay, this was a vinyl top car. Doesn't have all the chrome. I don't think this bed's going to be any good. Looks like there's some chrome in here. It's going to need fixed. If that's to this, almost looks like Camino. There's a hood. It's a little rough, but it's a hood. Let's see. Tailgate don't look too awful. No tail lights. Backup lights. All the bed chrome is missing off of this one. See, there's 2 wheels in this one. Wheel missing here. Wheel there. Okay, there's that one. This one is solid on the quarter. I could just patch this one. Broken tail lights. I think I got more tail lights. Nope. No tailgate. I think I can actually work with this bed. There's the chrome. Not all of it. No back window. But the other ones have back windows. So I think I can fix these quarters. Yeah, usual needing of floor pans. This is a 71. Doesn't have any seat belts for the bottom or the sides. So this will need floor work, but not bad. Wow, radio delete. And this was a 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Yeah, we don't like 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Radio delete's interesting though. Fenders might be patchable. There's that 6-cylinder. That gotta go. It's got a complete front end, but it's a 71. And then the last one. He says these two have good frames, so this is front disc brakes too. There's a fender to it. There's another inner fender. Looks like a whole set of S10 wheels. I think we got enough bed to fix the other bed if we need patches. Let's look at this one. Oh, this is the one I can't get in. All right, that's gonna be fun. Well, it's got a bench seat. Yeah, a little bit of the cowl missing on that one. Like most of it. A little blistered there. Man, this green one looks good. Wow, it was cut in half. This car was cut in half. Holy crap. Okay, then we got a front end down there. So he said this front end goes with it, and it's a 72 front end. Fender's a little bending up. Rad split don't look bad. It's upside down, but as the lights are faded out, but we got them. All right. Well, that's the total extent of it. One down, one loaded. Yep, this one's in rough shape. I'm going to tear this one apart for parts for the other one. This has a solid body and frame. So this will be the donor body. Guess I'll try to take this fender and the hood, loose parts. That'll be it. until the next time. I guess that's growing in there.